Dr. Manoj Hazarika sir with a big round of applause. We wish that Wisdom Junior College always flourishes under his able guidance.
I would like to request Manoj sir to say a few words. Thank you.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surakoti Samaprabha. And my dear student friends, at the very outset, I am very thankful to the organizer for inviting me for this auspicious event of Wisdom Junior College, especially to my favorite student Tajuddin Ahmed and Yusuf Qureshi. They are very sincere and hardworking. I pray to God that Wisdom Junior College one day become Wisdom Senior PG College, and one day it become a prestigious University of Assam, Wisdom University. My dear student friends, this period, the student life period, is a very important part of our life. It is the time for learning, dreaming, and shape our future. So learning is a continuous, endless process of our life. Learning, you may say, we may learn from, not only from the pages of the book or internet. We may learn from various things, from the environment, from the society itself. It is a continuous process, never-ending process. We should learn to develop ourselves in all stages of our life. And regarding dreaming, so one quotation of Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he rightly said that the dream which you see in sleeping is not your dream. The dream which will not let you to sleep. That means we have to dream with our open eyes, not with the closed eyes. So you dream, and dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts into the action. In our scriptures, students means Vidyarthi. So Vidya means, you know, that knowledge, and Arthi means wisdom. So that means the wisdom or the desire of learning. In the life of the students should have 5 qualities. And I want to mention these 5 qualities. First one is Kaka system. I think you may know about it. Kaka system. Kaka means crew. System means the effort. So all of we know the story of the Thaisik crew. That crew continuously give his effort to drink water from the pot. So it's like a student, you should have the continuous effort to get your destiny or your goal. And second one is Baku Dhyanam. So Baku means crane. Dhyana means the focus. You may see any crane who focus on his target in a field, on his one foot. He focus on his target. The fish will swim inside the river, inside the water, and he focus in that way that he can catch the base fish. So as a student, you should give focus on your target, on your aim. In Mahabharata, so Guru Dronacharya he arranged an examination of his student, and he asked his student to aim a bird on a tree. He asked his student to aim the eyes of the bird. I think you heard about this story or that fact. Then except Arjuna. Arjuna is the best student of Dronacharya, you know that. Everyone said Dronacharya that they see all these things, the sky, the tree, the branches of tree, leaves, everything. But Arjuna said that he saw only the eye of the bird, not anything else. That means you should have the focus in that way. You have to zoom to the bird eyes. In that way, you have to, that is Bakut Dhyanam. Thirdly, Shwananidha. Shwana means in Sanskrit, Shwana means dog, kutta. So you have to sleep in that way, like a dog. So you know that, say, dog is very conscious animal, na? Kibata gompale loge lage, he very vibrant every time. So you should have vibrant and conscious as a student to learn everything. And fourthly, Alpahari. So Alpahari means eat less but eat good food. So we should, in the life of the students should eat to live, not live to eat. And lastly, Gihatyagam. So earlier, say students left their home to study at their guru's griha. But here presently, this means the sacrifice you have made. You need not to leave your home, but you have to sacrifice all the entertainment, all the events during your study. With these few words, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you once again to the organizer for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.